Welcome to RestoGenius, where the future of business is here. Let's take a closer look at how to use our innovative POS system. First, log into the system. To get started, simply log in by entering your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll seamlessly enter our intuitive POS interface. Experience the next generation of restaurant management with RestoGenius, navigating through RestoGenius. Next module is Product Recipes. To access the Product Recipes module, go to the sidebar, click on Back Office, and select Product Recipes. This feature allows you to view and manage detailed information about your product recipes, including the product name, choose ingredients, variant recipes, and a view button. You can use the search filter to quickly locate any specific product recipe. For example, let's check out the mushroom patty recipe. Click on the Choose Ingredients button to select your ingredients and then click Submit. If you decide not to add any ingredients, simply click Cancel. After adding ingredients, click on Variant Recipes button. Here you can specify variants such as full or half and enter the quantities for each ingredient and then click on Submit button. You'll receive a message confirming that the recipe has been updated. Now you can click on Close button. Further, to view the details of a recipe, click on View button. Select the variant full or half, and you'll see all the details about the ingredients and their nutritional content. You can also edit the ingredients by clicking the Edit button, add additional ingredients, and then submit the changes. Similarly, you can update nutritional information by clicking the Edit button and adding nutrients to help track daily protein goals and more. This feature ensures that all recipe details are easily accessible and kept up to date, streamlining your product management process and supporting a more efficient kitchen operation. Customers appreciate how RestoGenius simplifies managing multiple restaurants and operational details. More exciting features are coming your way. Stay tuned with us for future updates. For any questions or further information, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to supporting your business. Thank you for choosing RestoGenius.